So I installed a ball valve from there and eliminated all the piping that went this way, down this way. I'll show you a picture in a little bit. So I put the ball valve, then I put a gauge to see what the pressure is coming from the outside, which is 40 pounds. Then I put the reduction pressure valve, which brings it down to 15. Then I put another gauge, which shows me that it's at 15. And that's what's going into the boiler. So then I put it like that, all the way down, straight into the boiler. Bam. No more flexible pipe. And no more leaks.